purpose of this demonstration is to show you how our aerosol battery cleaner and protectant will protect your battery terminals from acid, will neutralize acid when it's present, and has a color indicator to let you know the acid has been neutralized. First thing I'm going to do is take some litmus paper and dip it into this acidic solution to show you that it is indeed acid. Next, I'm going to take some of the product and spray it onto this very sensitive litmus paper, and then dip it into the acid and show you that it protects this very sensitive paper from the acid. Finally, I'm going to show you how it neutralizes the acid, and just with the excess that I have on my finger here, I'm going to rub it onto what we've already established is acidic, and what you're going to see right before your eyes is how it neutralizes that acid and turns the paper back to red or neutral.